Hey Todayers, I want to ask a question to you. I've been getting a lot of questions during my trainings about Donald Trump and his communication style and what he's about and who he is and all these different things. And the question is, I want to know, why are people voting for Donald Trump? Now, I don't want to create a discussion of what he isn't doing. I don't want to know about him being racist or him being anything that's negative. I want to know from the people who are actually voting for Donald Trump, why are you voting for him? So I've been interacting with a lot of people, especially people my age, and I have not personally found a Donald Trump supporter, so I haven't been able to ask them why. Now, I see people at his rallies. He is winning. I mean, he's won 15 states out of 24 states so far. He has 446 pledged delegates as of right now. So he's in the lead, and I want to know why. I mean, at the beginning of this race, a lot of my friends thought it was a joke that he was running. I think a lot of people thought it was a joke, but he's winning. So I want to hear from you. If you're voting for Donald Trump, why? Please post the comments below and let me know. I hope you're having a good day, and I'm looking forward to starting the conversation and getting more insight from you on why you're voting for Donald Trump. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Todayers.